Hey guys, Todd with Vapor Honing Technologies. Today we're going to talk about how to pick a vapor honing machine and which machine would work best for you. So there's multiple options when it comes to vapor honing. We have our hobbyist line, which would consist of our Weekend Warrior, the 700, and our Micro. These machines are great for those people that are doing restoration work on their own stuff. They're not planning on trying to do this for other people. They're using this on the weekends, a couple hours during the week maybe. Just a hobbyist type cabinet. You've got probably one person using the cabinet, period. You may have a buddy that comes over and uses it once in a while, but basically it's just you using the cabinet. From there we can move into what they call our light industrial, which is our 800 base model. The biggest thing on the base model, again, and we've talked about this in previous videos, is the automatic overflow, to where if multiple people are using this machine, it's automatically going to drain that excess water off for you. This is great for the mechanic that's running, 5 days a week, 6 days a week, cleaning up 3 or 4 parts a day. 800 base and light industrial cabinet, perfect for that. From there, we step into what we call our industrial line. From our 800 FL, the 900, the 1000, 2000, the 3500, even our 4000. These are larger industrial cabinets that are really set up for like manufacturing type facilities or for those high-end garages that want that industrial type metal cabinet in their shop. These machines are fantastic for that. We also can go as far as our automated system, like our 4000 robot. That machine is set up perfectly for manufacturing environments where they're doing multiple parts consistently and need that uniform finish. You've got a robotic arm that will actually give you the exact same pattern every single time when you're doing these. But I guess the biggest thing when it comes to choosing the machine that's going to be best for you is reach out to our sales department. They're the experts on these machines. We deal with these machines in and out on a day-to-day basis. We're going to ask you some questions about what you're doing and what type of materials you're blasting, what kind of results you're looking for. We can actually help you decide which machine is going to work best for you. No, we're not always going to pick the most expensive machine just so you'll buy it. We're going to find the machine that's going to work best for you and for your situation. We can also help you with abrasives and what kind of abrasive is best for your machine. Another thing you can do is you can actually send in us test parts to where we can test them in different machines, different medias, to find out what's going to work best for you. That's free application testing. More than welcome to send those parts in. And if the wet blasting system doesn't work, we've got some other ways that we can clean parts up for you, and there may be a different solution instead of wet blasting. But if you have any questions or comments, give us a call. Phone number is 828-202-5563. Thanks for watching.